Here's some 2-inch. Today we're going to take a look at Milwaukee's PVC shears. These are awesome. If you're a plumber, you might want to really think about getting these. These are so handy to have. This is the kit. You get a bag, you get a battery, which can do up to 200 cuts, and you get the tool itself. It can cut up to 2 inches in diameter. We've got a really nice stainless steel blade here. We've got the power meter on the side. The battery goes in the back. This is an M12 tool. So you throw in a small M12 battery. You can even get the larger batteries to go in this. Once you've got the battery in, you open the blade by pressing this button down below, just like that, and it flicks the blade up. Now there's a safety on the left and the right hand side. So it's a little tricky to get used to, but you just press it with your finger and then you press this button and it'll close the blade. Just like that. Pop it open for your next cut, and you're good to go. The power meter's on the side here, so it only comes on when you press the button. Now you gotta be really careful you don't put your fingers in there. This blade does not have any safety on it. It'll just keep cutting as long as you're holding down that trigger. So let's cut some pipe. Okay, we've just got some typical electrical conduit here. The reason I love this is because there are no burrs, there's no mess. You don't have to use a chop saw or a sawzall or a recip saw. It's just very clean, very easy. You get a nice cut. It's super quick. It's compact enough to get into small areas. So that's another reason I love it. ABS pipe, no problem. Now I have found cutting 1.5 or 2-inch pipe near the end, it does deform the pipe a little bit, so keep that in mind. But otherwise, for cutting anywhere in the middle of the pipe, it's totally fine. And it doesn't always deform the pipe, so it's just once in a while. So it's probably operator error. So here's some 2-inch. So this is great for plumbers, electricians, and DIY-ers. Now, if you use this tool a lot, you can get replaceable blades. So you just undo this bolt right here. The blade pops out, slide a new one in, and you're good to go. So Milwaukee does give replacement blades. The other thing is that it's not moving around the pipe a lot. So if you got water in there and you're using a sawzall, sometimes the water's splashing everywhere. And if you want a nice controlled cut, it just snips right through it, and then you can control that water where it's going to go. So I love this thing. I think it's such an awesome tool by Milwaukee, and this kit is perfect. All right, guys, hope the video was helpful. Till next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.